So hello everyone, I'm back here in Pasig City, and this is just an update on how the apartment construction or the progress of the apartment construction is in here. Now the building still looks much the same, but compared to my other videos, they are now able to put the roofings of the apartment. And I think the next step would be the ceiling part, and then painting and all the finishing touch. So I think today is January 15, so I think this will be completed by February. Initial plan is end of January, but I think they'll have to extend. So I'll take videos of the inside. I'll be going inside now to get a better look. Hindi pa. Akit mo na ako, tingnan. To get a better look of how the roof looks from the inside of the building. Daan ka na, sige. Dadaan ako. Susmati ko yun. So this is the kitchen area. This is the sink. This is the washroom or the bathroom. And this is just going to be an open area. I guess this is where they can do the laundry and stuff. So again, this is a 4-door apartment building. So this is door number 2. And the inside looks pretty much the same. Okay, I'm getting lost here. So this is the stairs going up to the 2nd floor. So I'm going up now. And there are 2 rooms on the 2nd floor. This is room number 1. And there you go. The roof is all intact, it's in place. So they'll have to just put some ceiling to cover the roofing. Okay, and I'll go to room number 2 here. Okay, so that's all there is on the 2nd floor. We'll be getting down. And we'll check the other doors. Okay. Nasa sila? Okay, so we'll go to door number 3. So this is the side of the apartment. Hello po. Kumusta? Video. Opo nagkasakit ako. Video ka lang po sa taas. Okay, so this is door number 3. So it still is the same. That's the sink. This is gonna be the living room. And then that's the stairs. There's also a floor room in this side, you know, where to do the laundry or, yeah, do the laundry and stuff. And it's gonna be an open area. And then this is the washroom or the bathroom. It's pretty dark. Now we'll go upstairs. Hey. There we go.
Tapos niya na lang yung mga butas niya. Ano lang sila mag-akyat na madulas?
Hello. Bakit?
This is the other room.
No? Kailangan mo ano yan bago kasi
Di makikita pag may kesame na yan.
Oh.
Kailangan.
Hindi kaya tutuloy yung tubig dyan, yung may mga
Oo, talaga
puti-puti.
yan.
Ano yan? Kailangan usapan
Kailangan
yan.
yan.
Yung nasa taas sa ano yun?
Sa kanya yan. Habang wala pang kesame, kailangan banatan yan. Dahil hindi pag yan nilagyan, hindi na makikita butas yan.
Bago
Sa tuloy na lang yan.
Bago mag-ano yan, pipinturahan pa kasi yan ng ano eh. Sulit yung pen.
Pero
Ang alin?
tatakpan yung mga butas na yan, di ba?
Tatakpan pa niya.
Pipinta na sila.
Ito, ano, ito ang kahoy.
So that's it.
Kahoy. Eh, maano yun dito eh.
Oo.
Bana.
Yung pintada na rin, punta na ba ito? Yung ipinilagay mo, hindi ipinta yan. Yung
Ay, tama pala. Ano mo rin kailangan ko? Yung mga grills na ano.
Lalagyan o...
Kung pa-estimate niya na.
lalagyan ba talaga yan? Hindi open?
Parang bakal din siya.
Okay.
Tanong mo.
wala pa sabi si engineer niya.
Oo nga. Kaya nga sabi ko patanong. Tanongin niya.
Tapos naman na ang palabas. Hindi ka lang dumating.
Sa kabila, yung susi doon.
Yung doon na
And this is door number 4.
May kabinet
So
ba?
the inside looks the same as door number 3. And there's the roof.
Kaya natin. Pagawin lang niya.
Dahil kasi ito meron telephone number, may cell number.
Ito, kabinet na rin.
Okay, well that's all there is now. I'll post more updates, I guess, by next month. The finishing product, the finishing product, or the final look of the house. Okay, bye guys, that's all.